Original pine sol scent usually performs best at deterring mice because it contains the strongest pine oil aroma that rodents find unpleasant. Pine sol works by masking food smells and creating an environment that is olfactorily hostile to mice. So use a solution of 1 part pine sol to 3 parts water when wiping surfaces where mice are active, and pay special attention to baseboards, pantry shelves, and entry points. Apply with a cloth rather than spraying into the air so the scent bonds to surfaces and lasts longer, and repeat every 2 to 3 days in areas with high activity or after cleaning so the odor does not dissipate. If you are treating a nest area, wear gloves and remove droppings carefully using paper towels soaked in the cleaning solution to reduce airborne particles, then dispose of them in a sealed bag. For ongoing prevention, saturate cotton balls with the cleaner and place them in sealed glass jars with holes punched in the lid near likely entry points so the scent radiates slowly without soaking surrounding materials. If you are sensitive to strong fragrances or have pets, test a small area first and use well-ventilated spaces or lower concentration to avoid irritation. When choosing between original, lemon, or lavender formulas, pick whichever smells most pungent to you because intensity correlates with effectiveness, but prioritize original pine sol for the strongest pine oil profile. People often assume any new scent will instantly stop an infestation and delay other important steps, so also seal gaps and remove food sources as the primary control method. Another common issue is over-dilution, which leaves too little fragrance to deter mice, so stick to the 1:3 ratio or use saturated cotton delivery for persistence. A final mistake is applying only once. Odors fade and require regular reapplication, so schedule spot treatments every 2 to 3 days until signs of activity cease. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors tailored to home pest and cleaning projects and offers a discussion community where we share real experiences about what works for rodent deterrents. We also help contractors connect with homeowners seeking services and build local business opportunities.